Have you ever wondered why some people are naturally good at flirting while others stumble and fumble? What if I told you that the art of flirtation isn't just about charming one-liners and captivating charisma, but it's also deeply rooted in our brain's wiring? Intriguing, isn't it? We're going to delve into the fascinating world of neuroscience and how it plays a key role in the dance of attraction, otherwise known as flirting. So, buckle up as we take a journey through the neural pathways of flirtation. Recent research in neuroscience has unveiled some astonishing facts about flirting. It's not just an art or a social skill, but a complex process that involves several parts of our brain. Let's start with the prefrontal cortex, our brain's command center. It's responsible for decision-making and social behavior. When we flirt, this area of our brain is working overtime, analyzing signals and crafting responses. But there's more to it. The amygdala, an almond-shaped part of our brain associated with emotions, also plays a significant role. It helps us gauge the emotional responses of the person we're flirting with. If they're interested, the amygdala sends a positive signal to the rest of our brain, making us feel good and encouraging us to continue. And let's not forget about the dopamine and oxytocin, two hormones that our brain releases during flirting. Dopamine, often referred to as the feel-good hormone, is released when we experience something pleasurable, like a flirtatious exchange. Oxytocin, on the other hand, is known as the love hormone, and it enhances feelings of trust and bonding. So how can we use this knowledge to our advantage? By understanding how our brain responds to flirting, we can train ourselves to become better at it. Practicing social interactions, reading body language, and understanding emotional cues can help us fine-tune our flirting skills. To sum it up, the art of flirting is a complex dance choreographed by our brain. It involves the prefrontal cortex, responsible for decision-making and social behavior, the amygdala, which gauges emotional responses, and the release of dopamine and oxytocin, hormones that enhance pleasure and bonding. By understanding these processes, we can train ourselves to become better flirters, turning an awkward encounter into a delightful exchange. So the next time you're about to engage in a flirtatious conversation, remember that it's not just about what you say, but also about how your brain is wired. So, the next time you feel your heart fluttering and your cheeks blushing during a flirtatious exchange, remember it's not just about the words you're exchanging, but also about the complex neural dance happening inside your brain. Flirting, as it turns out, is more than just a social skill. It's a fascinating interplay of neuroscience, hormones, and emotions. And with a bit of understanding and practice, anyone can become a maestro at this art.